Okay, on to part 2 of our guitar workout. We're going to continue this workout with strum patterns. So, we're not going to play any chords, we're just going to mute the strings, but we're going to work on holding our pick and strum patterns. So, first one we're going to do is just down strums. Make sure you're strumming over the circle. Next one we're going to do is all up strums, just to see how it feels. Now we're going to go down and up. And now we're going to do some more patterns that I've been using for my classes. So the first one is down, down, up. The next one I want to work on is down, 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 up, down, up. Now, the last one I want to cover is part of the CCR song, Bad Moon Rising. And what it is, it's down, down, up, and then up, down, up. And how he does it is that the up, down, up at the end of the strum pattern falls back into the beginning. So it sounds like this. You go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So, try it on your chords. And include your chord changes. Just pick any 2 chords you want, kind of with like the hopping drill, and then apply your strum patterns to that and see how it goes. Guitar solos are based off of scales. So we're going to learn the major and minor scales, and we're going to learn how to play them in 2 different ways. So we're going to start on fret 5 with our pointer finger. This is the A major scale. Start with your pointer finger. We're going to go pointer, middle, pinky on 5, 7, and 9, which are all dots. We're going to do the same thing on the 2nd string. Now, for the 3rd and 4th string, we're going to bring the pointer finger in 1 fret to fret 6, and we're going to go pointer, middle, pinky on 6, 7, and 9. We're going to do that on the 3rd string and the 4th string. Now on the bottom, the 2nd to last string, the B string, we're going to bring our middle finger down, 7th fret, and then our pinky to 9. And then we're going to reach back to fret 5 to play the last note in the scale, which is A. So here's the whole thing, what it looks like. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 7, 9, 5. Remember, when we talk about the scales, that we always base it off of our first finger on the lowest note. So in the last scale we just did, we started on an A major scale with our pointer finger. This time we're going to do the same scale starting with our middle finger on fret 5. Here's the order. 5, 7 with your pinky, and then you got 4, 5, 7. The next 2 strings are the same. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, then 5, 7, 4, 5. Let me do that slowly again for you. Middle finger, 5, pinky, 7, pointer 4, middle 5, pinky 7, then pointer 4, ring finger 6, pinky 7, 4, 6, 7, middle finger 5, pinky 7, pointer 4, middle finger 5. Here's the whole thing. Here's how you play your minor scale, starting with your pointer finger. Still on fret 5, we're playing A majors and A minors today in this workout. It's going to be 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, and then you've got 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 4, 6, 8, 5. Here it is a little slower. So these two strings are the same, then these two strings are the same, where you spread out. And then it's gonna 6, 8, 5. Here's the second way to do your A minor scale. Staying on fret 5, we're gonna start with our middle finger. So we have 5, 7, and then we're gonna go 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Bring our pointer finger in a little bit. 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 3, 5. So I'll do that again for you. The last thing I want to cover is working on bar chord sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to add one finger at a time for a bar chord and make sure that we hear the added sounds. This will ensure that you're pressing down firmly enough for each string and that you're curling your fingers enough so that they're not touching other strings by accident. So staying with the 5th fret, we're going to do our major bar chord, which looks like this. It's 5, 7, 7, 6. On the top 4 strings, and then you're just gripping on the bottom 2 with your pointer finger on 5 to get those high sounds. So we're going to start slowly with just our pointer finger, and we're going to mute the other strings with that finger by being flat. Now we're going to add our ring finger on 7, 2nd string, just like that. Now we're going to add our pinky underneath that string on 7. Still trying to mute those bottom strings. Last one we're going to do is going to be middle finger on fret 6, 4th string. See how you can hear the difference? And once you have those 4 down, I want you to grip with your pointer finger. This is one way to clean up the bar chords, make sure they're sounding correctly. The biggest problem for early guitar players is learning how to press down with a finger and still flatten it so that it mutes the other strings. So, see if that helps your practice, and see me in class.